I will notice sekuru wetu ainzi Adamu yakakanganisa. Akatana mchero ndokudya mchero waakanga asina kupiwa kondisekuru pauti koka ndokwatinobvasha saka ndopaakazorangwa nchimbira auchava neupenyu rinhu wese uchadzokera. Anyway, they will tell you, the pastors, that you do good work. If you do good work on earth, you'll be rewarded in the life hereafter. Now, we as we dwell on this earth are interested that the bit of life that we have in our geographical entities that we call countries, or as nations. There should be happiness. There should be joy. The joy of life that we all share as people of one country. And no country must deny another. You see, the right to that joy.